then I'm gonna open the
Dinosaur egg! What is it? It says ZURU Smashers Mega Light Up Dino. Over 25 surprises.
Wow.
Wow.
All of the prizes were awesome. And it has slime in there.
It's got slime?
Yeah.
Cool.
Let's get started.
Hold on, but let me see the back. Hold on, let me see the back. So it says smash, fizz, build, and more. You could smash. It says slime, fizz, build, find, stretch. I guess the stretching is from all the slime that's in there. Oh, okay, try to open it. Rip it! Rip it open! Okay, oh, you almost got the egg. Oh, I see all the cracks from the egg. Whoa. Got it?
Yeah.
Well, we still gotta open this up.
Oh.
Okay, try to open it now.
Yeah.
Still got a little bit more to open. Got it?
Yeah.
Gotta keep opening. Gotta keep opening it up. Open it up. Open it up. Got it. Yeah. Cool. Okay, now you gotta smash it. You gotta smash it open. Smash it on the table. Smash it hard. Gotta try to open it. Smash it. Or like this. Go like this. Hard. Oh, you got it! It's open!
Wow!
It's okay, show everyone what you got in there. What is that?
Open it. Open it.
Okay, well, show, what is this? ZURU Smashers. Yeah, we gotta open this because all the dinosaur stuff is in there. Okay, let's try to open it. Did you open it? Oh, get it all out, get it all out. What else did you get? I see some eggs. What is that? Looks to be like a volcano set. This is lava slime. What else? More eggs. Okay. This is the Mega Light Up Dino.
Yeah.
The stretchy foam.
Wow, we gotta put the lava.
Yeah, you gotta put the lava. Here, open this up. Let's open this up. The stretchy foam. You're gonna open the egg? What is in the egg?
T-Rex.
T-Rex. Ooh. That was a baby T-Rex. You got more eggs to open? Smash them on the table. Oh, what else is in there? What is it? It's a little dinosaur egg. Like a dinosaur. Let me see.
No, it's Velociraptor.
It's a velociraptor?
No.
No, it's not. What is it?
We got another dinosaur egg.
Got another dinosaur. It's like a dinosaur head.
Yeah. And we got two dinosaur eggs.
Yeah, we did. What's in these bags? Can you open one of these bags?
Yeah. Is this mine?
I don't know. Got it?
Yeah. Oh, it's the stretch.
Oh, that's a dinosaur foot.
Check out one I
All the slime? Is it all the slime? That's. Whoa! What is that? That's the. I know it's a slime, but it looks like a dinosaur bone, like the foot of the dinosaur. Whoa!
And now we're gonna start with the stretch.
Yeah, with the slime. What's in this bag here? Did you open this one yet?
No.
That's the more stretchy foam, I think. that's all the sand from the bone. Yeah, all that sand.
Oh, we found.
Yeah? What else did you find in there? I found the dinosaur head. Look. Wah!
Ah!
Just more sand is in there? Okay, what else? What's in there?
Yeah.
That looks like the tail. It might not be the tail, maybe the spine, the back. Did you open all these up? Oh look, you got one more. I think that's it.
Nope.
What's in there?
I'm gonna take out my hand.
What?
Take out my hand.
Oh, that's the tail right here.
Oh,
Whoa! Oh, this looks like sand. This is sand. Whoa, cool. Now we gotta put it all together. We gotta put these dinosaur bones together.
hey.
You want to get all these? You want to put all these dinosaur bones together?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, let's do it.
Hey.
Okay, we almost got the dinosaur together. See that? But we need its arms.
It's in here.
It's in there? Okay, but we gotta put water in it. Here, get this cup of water and put it in there. See what happens. What is it doing, Mason? You gotta stir it up?
Yeah.
Stir it up.
No, Daddy.
Oh,
You have to use a spoon.
you gotta get a spoon.
No, it doesn't fit. It won't
Hey,
fit.
it looks like it's fizzling. You hear it? Oh, it's coming up. It's fizzing. Stir it up. See what happens. Oh, the volcano. Okay, get the arms out. Oh, it's coming out.
Wow, volcano's coming up.
It's coming out. Whoa.
I think the volcano is not coming out.
Yeah,
I think it's burning.
it's burning.
So I can come
That's all the lava.
Now we gotta clean it up.
You gotta clean it up, but first we gotta put these arms on the T-Rex.
Wow, there's a lava.
Yeah.
Ah!
Gotta put the arms on the T-Rex.
So it can bite the lava.
Yeah, go bite the lava. Whoa.
No!
Ah.
Yeah.
Roar, roar. Ah, the dinosaur. Ah, the
Yeah.
dinosaur's down. And you're putting slime all over the dinosaur. This was so fun, right, Mason?
Yeah.
Cool. Okay. Well, tell everyone bye. Tell everyone bye.
I think the volcano is not gonna.
Yeah.
Subscribe and thank you for all. We need dinosaur up. Rawr.
Roar.